Hey guys, it's Carletta from Body Candy. Now beware, this is a crazy fast video of me doing a 3-part swirl technique, half cut off. And the video is crazy. I'm pouring the pastel pink and another clear hot pink. I also have some white goat's milk that I will be adding in, but it turned out I didn't really like that, so this soap is going to be crazy. But I said, what the hell, let me go ahead on and finish it anyway and see what happens. So here I just spritz it and then I go straight into the reveal, and it is terrible. I cannot believe, like, the cut of the soap was okay, the swirls did good, but I hated the top of the soaps, so I ended up cutting off the tops because the flowers were weird. And I just decided, hey, you know what, I'm not going to get upset. I'll just use them and cut them into sample bars. Thanks guys for watching.